Alright, welcome back everybody to another episode. Alright. Jesus. Alright, cool. So today we are doing a red ale. Which I haven't done a red ale in a minute. And I'm pretty excited because this is kind of a collab, I guess. Between two different brewers' recipes. Flora Brewing, and Clawhammer Supply Brewing. I kind of took like both their recipes and combined them into one, and then added a little bit of like what I wanted it in there. So to go with the ingredients. So today we are turning out 5 gallons of water. We're going to do a batch sparge of 2 gallons when that comes to it. So for the grain, we'll be using 8 pounds of 2-row, 3 pounds of Maris Otter, 1 pound of Red X, 1 pound of Crystal Caramel 60, 4 ounces of roasted barley, half pound of Special B, and a half pound of peated malt to give a little smokiness to it. And then for hops, so we're going to be using 6 ounces of Fuggles today. So we're going to be, once we get to the boil stage, we'll be doing 2 ounces in the beginning, and then the last 10 minutes, 4 ounces of Fuggle hops. Then for yeast, we'll be using the A10 Darkness. And for actually doing like for specials, the specials will be going in for the last like 10 minutes of the boil as well. So we're going to be adding Eden Organic Barley Malt Syrup, about 20 ounces of it. May add some brown sugar. I don't know. We'll see how the day goes. But yeah, hopefully you all like the video and stay tuned. I forgot to mention a minute ago. So we're mashing in at about 150 degrees Fahrenheit today. So yeah, so got the thermometer going. It's gonna let me know when we hit that temp, and we'll get rolling with the process. We're going to put an hour on the timer because we're going to mash in for an hour. Let's see. There we go. And yeah, it's mashed in for an hour, and yeah. Alright, what up everybody, and we're back. So we just mashed out. And we just batch sparged 2 gallons of water. Smells pretty damn good. So right now we're going to be starting up the boil. So we're going to be doing an hour boil. I mean, right now we're about I don't know, like 5-ish gallons, a little bit over 5 gallons. Even with the 2 gallons of batch barging. I'm letting the grain drain into another bucket, so I'll probably get like 1/4 of a gallon once it's at the end of the day, you know, pour that back in. But yeah, gonna continue with the boil and get the show going. All right, now we're at that stage. The rolling boil is a rolling. So time to add all the hops. Again, we're doing Fuggle hops. I'm not gonna be adding all these. I'll be adding 2 ounces.
You don't know me.
At the boil right now. So let's get this going. No thanks. I've already done that. Hop spider. There we go. 2 ounces of Fuggles. Alright, and we're back, and I got some sunglasses. So we're a couple minutes away from adding the last ingredient, shall I say. And so we'll be adding 4 ounces of Fuggles in the last 10 minutes. And then we'll be adding, hold up. Okay. So this is the special that we'll be adding. It's organic, or it's Eden. The company's called Eden. Organic, traditional barley malt syrup. It's about 20 ounces of it. I think I used this in my red ale that I did like forever ago, whenever I did that, a couple years ago. Yeah, it's just a traditional barley malt syrup using organic grains, so yeah. We'll use it. Gives a great flavor. Also boosts up the ABV. Has a good color to it as well. So here in about 45 seconds, I'm gonna be putting in the rest of the specials. Okay, so four ounces of Fuggles. Turn down the flame a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna be adding these to the boil right now. Smell pretty good. One more to go. There we go. Okay, so like I said, we'll be using the barley malt syrup. I'm going to be pouring it in. And also I'm going to be getting all the grain that's been draining for the past hour. I'm going to be pouring that in as well. Definitely need a spoon to get all this out. Definitely want to mix this in while you pour it in so it doesn't sink to the bottom. So we have about 5 minutes left on the boil. Then we're going to shut it all off. I need to go get some ice so we can cool this down quick. I mean, I could let it could pour it into the fermenter and then let it cool naturally, but that takes way too long. I want to get this fermenting here soon, so yeah, about like 5 or 4 minutes. I'm gonna go shut it off and then go get some ice. Well, thank you guys for joining. Just finished up the brew day and came out pretty well. Gonna be cooling down the wort here soon, and then gonna be tossing it into my SS conical fermenter. And like I said earlier in the video, I'm gonna be fermenting with A10 darkness yeast. And yeah, hope you all liked the video. I had fun making this beer. I mean, I haven't made a beer in a while, so I was like, nope, might as well. It's time for red ale, since kind of over drinking IPAs and making IPAs. So red ale it is. Anyways, thank you guys again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Modern Brew Life channel. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Cheers.